Now let's turn to our Ben Free. So Ben, there's a new law outlawing some book bans, right?
Yes, that's right, Rebecca. House Bill 2789 was approved by Governor J.B. Pritzker back in June after passing both state houses. The law went into effect yesterday, and it effectively outlaws libraries across the state from banning books. The legislation requires libraries to follow the American Library Association's Bill of Rights. Article 2 states that libraries should provide materials of different viewpoints, and they should not be removed due to partisan or doctrinal disapproval. If Illinois libraries do not adhere to that, they can lose out on state funding. Randall Yelverton, who's the executive director for the Peoria Public Library, says that he's in support of the new law.
It can be difficult to hold to the important principles of a library of making these materials available to so many, because there are materials that some will find objectionable, but it is the role of the library to provide those materials to people, a broad variety of materials to people, even those they may not agree with.
And Yelverton says that while Peoria itself has not faced attempts to ban books in recent years, there were 67 attempts to ban books from across the state back in 2022. Rebecca?
All right, Ben, thank you. And those aren't the only new laws. Teens getting their driver's license in Illinois can now add their names to the voter polls as well. Another new law for 2024 will allow 16 and 17-year-olds to pre-register to vote when they get their driver's license. Now, they won't be able to vote until they turn 18, but teens can opt out if they don't want to pre-register to vote. Even without this law, 17-year-olds can register and vote in a primary election as long as they are 18 years old by the day of the general election of that same year. Now, of course, there are hundreds of new laws in effect now in Illinois. There's also mandatory paid leave, fewer driving distractions, and consumer protections, just to name a few. To see more on these laws and read about them, just visit our website, ciproud.com.